Porth Dafarch, or words to that effect.
Sounds familiar.
Yeah, so let me show you. Ready? I don't even know if you see me then. So we're at Porth Dafarch beach today. Here it is. Fishy one. So we're going to try and just cope with it really as best we can. I know it looks awful, but we're going to make the best of it, ain't we? I'm going to attempt to go in. Look at it now. When we got here, this was all the sea. Look at it. You going in, guys?
Not a chance.
Not a chance.
Not a chance.
Yeah.
I'll film this buffoon.
My feet are on fire, they're very burnt. So I need to
watch out you don't go into bloody cardiac arrest, because I've got a feeling that's going to be cold. There's no one else in there, Claire.
There is.
Oh, there's two women going to get in now.
Yeah, it'll be fine, it'll be good.
It is now. Here she goes. She must be absolutely crazy. I couldn't do this if you paid me. You're joking! All that for that? Oh, she's changed her mind. Changed her mind.
I'm in. Oh, so cold. Oh God, it's freezing.
The steamship as well, which ran around it in 1886.
So this is where we've been. What's it called, guys?
Porth Dafarch.
Note to self, so we don't forget. I've just lost the lids to me drinks. You're showing the sheep. A place to do it. It's amazing. We're off on a walk to find some fish and chips and perhaps a pint for young Harold. Keep shouting me again, look. Yeah, you look beautiful, ladies. Yeah, see them shouting me to show me how they've had their haircut. They're so kind. So yeah, walking into cemaes. Can't really see, the sun's blinding me. So hopefully it's alright. So here are the cows that give us our milk, you know. Banana milkshake, milk, strawberry, and yeah, still got the strawberry stuff, and the vanilla ones at the back. Yes, thank you, ladies. We've been to the fish and chip shop. We had to write our order down and wait for about half an hour. So we're now coming to find somewhere to sit and eat. So this is where we've chosen the pier. It's quite windy still, but I thought it'd be a nice outlook, so hopefully tastes nice. So I'm bloody starving. Okay, so here we are. What do you think, guys?
Nice.
Is it crunchy batter? Bite it, do the crunch test.
I just did. Nice.
Yeah, but we didn't hear you. Crunchy. Here's my little bag of chips, and I got some peas. On this bench to have chips, as I may have mentioned, and look at what's bench. Of all the benches that Dad picked, that was the one he chose. Spooky. So it's now 7:45 at night. We're going back to the caravan, so I can't wait no longer for the water to come in and ring the bell. But it is a bit closer than it was the other day. Oh, okay.
What do you think?
Hold on, we might wait. We might wait.
What carry it?
We've been sat for over half an hour and it's still not ringing, so we're going to come and try again tomorrow night because we're frozen.